Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm diaryofanabujamom. I'm a lifestyle blogger and a YouTuber based here in Abuja. And if you like to see how I go from like basic to like glammed up to like body to like cool to like everything, then keep watching. When there's engagement, more people see it. And don't forget to follow me on social media, diaryofanabujamom, across all social media platforms that I'm very active on, Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to just show me love and let me know what you think about the video, and also let me know what you like to see on my video, and also let me know what you think, what kind of videos you like to see, what kind of videos will you like to see. Like, I'm feeling myself. Jesus, I'm feeling myself. So I'm going to be doing how I achieve this hair look. Also, I'm going to do another separate video. Go check it out and let me know what you think. Today's video, it's kind of a review also of a foundation I just got yesterday, the Flawless Ivy foundation, and I'm going to just be reviewing that. So I'm going in with this Flawless oil-free foundation. So it's in the shade 708. Look at the color. I swatched it with my Mary Kay foundation, and the shades, this one is a bit darker. This one, I don't know if that is, I think they're the same thing, or maybe a bit darker. So I'm going to be using this for this video, and it's going to be what I'm actually reviewing. I'm just going to put, it's so thick, I'm just going to go in with this part of my brush. I'm going to be going in with this, and I'm going to be, because it's very thick and I don't like, I'm going to be spraying this. Like, it's so noisy. I just hope you guys are hearing me. It's really so noisy. So I'm going to be blending this out. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks like my skin. That's what I like about it. It doesn't look cakey. That is what I really like about it, and I like how it looks on camera. So I'm just going to highlight and do my contouring, and I'll be back. So I'm going to be setting my face with my benign powder. I'm not baking. I bake, but baking is not something I actually like.
Ma?
Yes, darling. This is what happens when you have a toddler that is not yet going to school and you're a stay-at-home mom. So I'm going into my contour palette. This is the This is the Zaron Face Definer Contour Palette. I'm going in with this shade, and I'm going to be using this brush I use for my foundation because I like things to blend out. So I always like using same brushes so that things can really blend out. So I'm going in with this angled brush, and I'm going to use that to blend my whole face. So I'm just using that same brush I used for my yellow. I'm going to use that to just apply this color, this shade on my under eye. So I'm going to go in with this Zaron brow powder, which I've had for a while, so nobody should come. I'm going to go in with this lighter shade, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. I'm going to go in with my classic blush and this random brush, which I bought from ABUJA. I'm going to use that to just apply a little bit of blush. My son is just dramatic. He's just screaming. This is like my best blush ever. I used to have a blush this shade in Black Radiance, and I didn't really even know like names, and it broke, and I didn't even like feel anything because I'm like, I don't even use it like that until so I'm just going to be blending everything together. I would have loved to highlight, but I'm feeling like for everyday look, do we really highlight? So for my lips, I'm going in with this Davis eye pencil and lip liner, and I'm going in with my classic 24 hours long lasting lip gloss in nude. I'm going in with that. I don't know if you can see. And I'm just going to apply this on my lips. So I'm thinking maybe I should just do small highlight. But I'm going to be setting this with my Kiss Beauty Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. It's a makeup fix. I'm going to be fixing my face with this. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to just organize. I'm going to just take care of my face, and I'll be back. So if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed my full face, then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, don't forget to share. If you subscribe, Ife is going to be happy. You're going to make my son really happy. You're going to make my son really happy if you subscribe. And I love you guys for watching. Until my next video, bye. Give me a kiss.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
You want to say bye?
Yeah.
Okay, I should say bye. Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Yes.
Say bye.
Why are you pushing my head?
Say bye. Bye.